In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to increase your RAM on your Windows PC or laptop. Increasing your RAM on a Windows system can significantly enhance your computer's performance, resulting into faster processing speeds and smoother multitasking. To do this, simply click on the Windows icon and head into your settings. On the settings page, select onto this option of System. You will then navigate onto the last option of About. On this page, you will see the installed RAM. As you can see, I have 8 GB of RAM. You can have 4, 16, or 32 GB. Now, after knowing your amount of RAM, you will want to click onto this option of Advanced System Settings. In the section of Performance, click on Settings. You will then head to Advanced. In this section, click on Change right here. Make sure to uncheck this option of Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then aftermark on Custom Size. The initial and maximum box will appear. Now, this is the most important part where you have to enter the right values of the initial size and the maximum size. I have made for you guys a simple summary for quicker understanding of this whole thing. On initial size RAM, it's 1.5. Then maximum size RAM, it's 3.0. So it means you have to convert your RAM into MB. And then you have to multiply by 1.5 for initial size. And for the maximum size, multiply by 3.0. I'd say you have 4 GB of RAM. To get the initial size, multiply your 4 GB by 1024. Then the answer you get, still multiply it by 1.5. That will be your initial size. On the maximum size, multiply your 4 GB by 1024. Then the answer by 3.0. That will be your maximum size. It's the same case on the person with 8 GB of RAM, 16 and 32. Now, if you get your answers, make sure to fill them into these boxes and click on OK. Make sure to close all the boxes and then restart your PC. Your RAM plus the system performance will be boosted successfully. That's how easy it is to boost virtual memory on Windows PC or laptop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.